How to do VUPS and VUPS benefits V-up exercise tutorial. How to do VUPS. The V-up exercise, named after the body position it entails during execution, engages the entire body and is considered a core workout. It requires no equipment other than a flat surface, and can be modified by incorporating weights. Mastering the basic technique of V-ups is straightforward, making it accessible to most individuals. Incorporating V-ups into your exercise routine can enhance your core stability, a vital aspect of movements such as walking, running, and lunging. Therefore, V-ups are a valuable foundational exercise. What is a V-up? Can you explain what V-ups are? Essentially, V-ups are a type of core exercise that targets both the upper and lower abdominal muscles. To perform a V-up, you must engage your abdominal muscles to lift your arms and legs off the floor simultaneously. The ideal form of a V-up resembles the shape of the letter V, where you raise your torso up like you would during a sit-up, while also lifting your legs up like you would during leg raises. Whether or not weights are utilized, V-up exercises play a crucial role in developing core stability, which is essential for maintaining proper alignment of the pelvis and spine. By strengthening the core, one's balance, stability, and posture can also be improved, potentially reducing the likelihood of lower back pain. What muscles do VUPS work? The muscles engaged during V-up workouts involve both the core and lower body. The rectus abdominis and oblique muscles are the primary muscles activated. Additionally, since the exercise involves lifting the legs off the floor, the hip flexors, adductors, and quadriceps also come into play. Rectus abdominis. The muscle commonly known as the six-pack is situated in the front of the pelvis, between the ribs and the pubic bone. Its primary function is to facilitate movement of the body segment between the ribcage and pelvis. External oblique muscles. The muscles positioned on either side of the rectus abdominis assist in rotating the torso. Internal oblique muscles. Beneath the external oblique muscles and within the hip bones lie the internal oblique muscles. Their role in trunk rotation is similar to the external oblique muscles, but they operate in the opposite direction. Hip flexors. A cluster of muscles located at the front of the upper thigh collaborate to flex and stabilize the hip, thigh, and torso, enabling activities such as walking, running, sitting, and standing. Additionally, these muscles aid in hip rotation and knee flexion. Adductors. The muscles located in the midsection of the thigh, stretching from the pelvis to the femur, contribute to moving the thigh and maintaining pelvic stability, crucial for maintaining balance during walking. Quadriceps. The muscles situated at the front of the thigh assist in extending the knee joint, while also performing additional functions such as absorbing impact during walking, maintaining posture and balance, and controlling gait patterns. How to do VUPS. Follow these steps for the right V-ups form. 1. Lie on your back with your arms extended above your head. Keep your legs straight and feet together. 2. Point your toes and engage your core to lift your feet about 6 inches off the floor. 3. Exhale as you engage your core to lift your torso and legs at the same time to create a V shape with your body. Keep both your arms and legs straight. 4. Inhale as you engage your core and slowly lower your body down to the floor. Make sure your arms are extended above your head and your legs are straight. Keep your feet about 6 inches off the floor. 5. Aim for 4 sets of 10 to 20 repetitions, reps. The number of sets and reps will vary depending on your level. For beginners, aim for 4 sets of 5 to 8 reps. Intermediate level athletes should aim for 4 sets of 9 to 19 reps. For more advanced athletes, aim for 4 sets of 20 or more reps. This V-ups workout should be done 3 times a week for the greatest benefit. VUPS adaptations. Several modifications and substitutions for V-ups exist, catering to individuals of all athletic abilities and levels of mobility. These include V-up alternative. This particular V-up variation is designed for individuals requiring additional upper body support. Start by sitting on the floor with your knees bent, feet resting flat on the floor, and arms extended behind you with palms facing down. Extend your fingers away from the body and maintain a straight back. Activate your core and gradually lean back until your torso forms a 45-degree angle with the floor. Use your elbows to prop up your torso as you lean back. Exhale and raise one foot off the ground. Extend the leg and point your toes outward, holding the pose for 5 to 10 seconds. Lower the foot gradually and repeat the movement using the opposite leg. V-sit hold. This is a stationary adaptation of the traditional V-up exercise. Rather than repeatedly transitioning into the V position with brief holds at the top, this variation involves holding the V shape for an extended duration by staying in a seated position with both legs and torso elevated. Alternating V-ups. This workout resembles the traditional V-up routine, with the only difference being the alternate lifting of each leg as you reach up to form the V shape. Weighted V-ups. If you find bodyweight V-ups too easy, you can opt to use weights. To do this, hold a suitable weight in your hands or use ankle weights while performing standard V-ups. To ensure proper execution, it is crucial to maintain good posture and form throughout these exercises. If you notice a decline in your form during the workout, it may be an indication that you're either using an excessive amount of weight or performing too many repetitions. Benefits of VUPS. V-ups exercises are versatile and can be performed almost anywhere, making them an accessible workout option for athletes of all levels. Furthermore, there are many variations of V-ups, making it a customizable exercise that can be tailored to your fitness level and goals. In addition, there are several other benefits of incorporating V-ups into your fitness routine. Core strength. By consistently performing V-ups exercises with proper form, you can strengthen your rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors, leading to increased muscle definition in your abs. Improved balance and stability. Proper execution of V-ups involves engaging the core and adductors for stability, which in turn strengthens these muscles and promotes definition in the abdominal region. This exercise also enhances overall balance by targeting the stability muscles, leading to better athletic performance and reducing the risk of injuries. Increased lower back health. A weak core can increase the burden on your back to support your torso, potentially leading to injuries. Building core strength can alleviate some of that pressure on your lower back. V-up mistakes to avoid. Performing V-ups exercises is generally safe and low risk, but incorrect form can lead to injuries over time. One common mistake is arching or slumping the lower back when lifting the torso off the floor. It's essential to concentrate on engaging the core muscles to lift the torso and avoid straining the lower back. To perform V-up variations such as the V-up alternative and V-sit hold correctly, it's important to avoid leaning back excessively during the leg lift. The goal of the hold is to maintain engagement of your core muscles, so you should use these muscles to keep your torso raised. In conclusion, It is important to maintain control over the speed of your movements and to pay close attention to any changes in your lower back. It is crucial to rely on your core muscles to execute most of the movements. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.